Okay, so we've seen the economic impact. Now let's look at the political side of things.
Yeah, how are the politicians reacting to all this?
Oh, President Trump?
He's putting a positive spin on it.
Yeah, he's saying the tariffs are good for the U.S.
He even compared the U.S. economy to a recovering patient,
Yeah, like the tariffs are the medicine we need.
even though it tastes bad.
Yeah, but a lot of economists disagree.
They're worried about inflation and slower growth.
Yeah, they're saying the tariffs are going to do more harm than good.
It's a classic debate.
Yeah, free trade versus protectionism.
And it's playing out on a global scale.
At first, the White House was saying that the tariffs weren't about negotiation.
Yeah, they were just doing what they thought was best for the U.S.
But then President Trump said he's open to negotiations.
If other countries offer something good,
Yeah, so it's like a mixed message.
they're trying to play it both ways.
Yeah, but Commerce Secretary Lutnick,
He's taking a hard line,
he's saying Trump won't back down.
and exemptions are off the table.
So it sounds like they're digging in.
They're committed to this course of action.
And Vice President Vance.
He's saying that tariffs will eventually lead to lower prices.
Yeah, but not right away.
It's a long-term strategy.
Yeah, but a lot of people are skeptical.
They don't buy it.
Yeah, especially with prices already going up.
It's hard to see how tariffs are going to
Look,
fix
that
that.
other countries are pushing back.
Yeah, French President Macron.
He told French companies to hold off on investing in the U.S.
That's a big deal.
Yeah, it shows how serious this is.
It could lead to a decoupling of the global economy.
Yeah, countries going their separate ways.
And even within the U.S., there's opposition
Yeah, there's a bill in the Senate.
that would require Congress to approve any tariffs that last longer than 60 days.
So they're trying to limit Trump's power.
They don't want him to act unilaterally.
Yeah, it's a checks and balances thing.
The legislative branch pushing back against the executive branch.
And they closed the de minimis exemption for China.
Yeah, that was a loophole that let small shipments in without tariffs.
And a lot of fast fashion retailers were using it,
So now they're going to have to pay up.
which means higher prices for consumers.
It's a lose-lose situation.
And then there's Bill Ackman.
The hedge fund manager.
Yeah, he has a pretty interesting theory.
He thinks Trump is trying to look crazy.